Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to see your past events on Partiful. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you attended recent events on Partiful. How do you actually go ahead and see which events that you've attended? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So here we are on our Partiful app. Now it's very simple and easy to use. You have tabs at the top. One is for upcoming, one is for hosting, one is for open invite, and one is for attended. And then you have all past events. So with that, if you click on all past events, you'll see all the past events that you've attended via Partiful. And with that, these are all the events, for example, that I've attended via Partiful. You'll be able to see what event it was, what date it was, etc. So that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way to see all the different categories and filters for Partiful events. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.